This is the flower box that goes on the house over there. As you can see, I've modified it a bit. I've taken out the screws that were holding it on, just drilled straight through, and I've put in hopefully what is going to be a permanent type system. It's a piece of aluminum channel, this bit right here. You can see the channel section. The idea is that's pointing down. A piece of channel over here points up. I have to level off all these batten strips, put extra screws in them so they can handle weight, and screwed it down, every batten. This one I did the old cold weld trick, putting a screw in about every 4 inches. And hopefully now we can just hang this plywood flower box right on there. I'm going to try and manhandle this thing over and see if it can be put up with one person. Here we go. Well, it took 2 of us to actually put it on. I can't figure out how to do it one-handed. But there's the channel doing its job, and it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. But I'm not sure how to do it with one person unless there's some kind of blocks you can put underneath here. Okay, so this log I cut off a longer piece that was getting ready to rot back into the forest, and hopefully what I can do is put it underneath this end of the flower box and use it as a pivot. And if I can lift the other end of the flower box, it means that I can do it one-handed. Okay, I've got it in there resting at an angle so that it should drop in if I lift that. Why isn't it dropping? Bonk. Alright, so that has now lifted this end out of the groove. Flower box trough, you can see I've got the block out at this end. Get a bit more under the centre of gravity. That thing. Now I'm going to see if I can lift at this end and turn it. So that's a good sign. Back in the cleat. This end. Yep. Let me move up to this end. Knock this out and that'll drop in.